Christmas Activity Book. This awesome activity book is jam-packed with cute and simple Christmas-themed artwork with snowmen, reindeer, Santa Claus, and more. The book is filled with many different activities. Kids can build the ability to concentrate, solve brain games, and color. Buy now for $19.99 only. Christmas Activity Book, plus 200 pages digital download, PDF. Digital product. Buy now for $19.99 only. Keep your kids happy with this super fun activity book including mazes, word searches, coloring pages, logic puzzles, and more. Fun and challenging activity book for kids that will keep them entertained for hours. Features. Total 221 pages. Cover, 01 page. Coloring pages, 120 pages. Custom shape mazes with answer, 15 pages. Dot to dot, 10 pages. Dot marker, 25 pages. Word search with answer, 20 pages. Sudoku with answer, 15 pages. How to draw, 10 pages. Number tracing, 10 pages. Addition, 05 pages. 8.5 by 11 in. Digital product. Buy now for $19.99 only. Risk-free, 100% money-back guarantee. We are very serious about this program and want you to be serious too. Therefore, we will refund your money 100% if you are not happy with the program within 60 days of purchase. Umit Sonmez, copyright